take a quick look. That's all it is. I'm not going to mess with it. This one says glass. Let's take a look. Maybe this one should have said paper. Here's a birdhouse, I guess. Log cabin bank. That's enough of that, isn't it? Let's check this out. I open one of these tins, you can see brand new in the tin lighter. There's two of them right there. Something in there, but it ain't money. Horseshoes. I got two other sets of horseshoes that hangs on the wall over there. Oh yeah, I see tins. Looks like more lighters or something. That says Camel there. Here's Camel again. A lot of Camel stuff in this storage. Even the cartons says Camel. Camel lights. I think that's a case of matches. Yeah, okay. Another Camel says Racing. Milky Way. Looks like packs of cigarettes in there. Well, there's 1 cent. I guess those are cigarettes. A few cents in there. Here's these Camels. I think I found 3 or 4 of these here. So far, this is more lighters. I can tell that right away. Zippo. This is a Camel here. That's a Zippo right there. See, brand. No, it says it's a Camel. Zippo and Camel must have something going. Lots of lighters. I probably found more than a dozen of them. Here's another one. It says Zippo too. What in the world? Oh, it's a belt buckle there. This is Camel right here. That's most likely another clock. I got 2. That's 3 clocks. That's Camel now. Uh-oh, here's another jar. Yeah, it's not full of money. That's what I hope. Full of money, but it's not. What's down in here? Oh, that's a camera there. Let me see if I can get this open. My left hand doesn't work so well. What is that? If that's a lighter, that's what it is. And if this other one's a lighter, which I believe it is, Canon. Now that's neat. I like that. Okay. That looks like a very good box. Let me get another box here.